This interactive cat toy really engages my cat and his curiosity and also that predator instinct to try and catch the feather and the tail. I love that this toy not only teases my cat and moves a little bit and then a lot, but it also can turn off and stop when it's not being used. So when you take this out, it does come with 2 feathers with the string. You only need one to hook in, and then it comes with a chargeable USB cord. That's where you plug that in on the top to charge the toy. And you also use it as the on-off button or to switch modes. Once you attach the feather and string wand, then you can charge it. It's that easy. Once you charge it, you can turn it on, and it has 3 light modes. So the 3 modes are slow, fast, and interactive. The blue is slow, and then the purple is faster, and the yellow is interactive. So when it does stop, but when the cat bats it, it starts moving again, which becomes very playful. As you can hear, it has this chirping noise that goes off once in a while. He is not bored at all. He will play or watch the toy for a very long time. The charge lasts for up to 2 to 3 hours, which is plenty of time for your cat to play over several days. I was gifted this to try out. The upgraded feature is that it does turn on and off. It does work for about 5 minutes before it does go into hibernation mode, which is great because it saves the charge. This is definitely one of the better ones on the market to keep your cat engaged. So I highly recommend, and I hope you and your furry cat enjoy it.